Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking about how to create a positive impression. It is rightly said that first impression is last impression. Your first impression is have a significant effect on your future relationship. Then how it is created? Number one, be on time. Someone in first time be on running late. Arriving early is much better than arriving late. It is the first step toward the creating first impression. Number second, present yourself appropriately. Of course, physical appearances matter. The person you are in meeting does not know who you are. Number third, be yourself. Yes, making a good impression does not mean that to face in some degree, but it does not mean losing yourself to be someone you are not. The best way to create good impression. Number four, have a winning smile. As the saying goes, a smile and the world smile too. So there is nothing like a smile to create a good impression. Number 5. Be open and confident. When it comes to making a good impression, body language and often speak louder than the word. Almost everyone have a little nervous when meeting someone for the first time. But this can lead to unwanted side effects such as mismeeting or filthy plan. Number 6. Use small talk. It helps you to prepare your question for the meeting. Or take a few minutes to learn something about him or her. So this can be a great way to open the conversation and to keep it following. Number 7. Be positive. Your attitude is time. Throw in everything you do. Be courteous and attentive. That's all guys. I hope that you will like my video. Also like, subscribe and share my video.